Now it comes to the point in the presentation where we're all looking for, and that is, how do you make money? Well, hold on, because there is a lot of money to be made with spending here. One of the phrases that I live my life by, that you hear me say a lot, is the definition of insanity is expecting things to change while doing the same thing. So if you continue going to your job at 9 o'clock in the morning and getting off at 5, you continue to take the same way home, continue the same routine, you're going to get the same results. You're going to get the same paycheck, maybe get a raise here and there. But if you want something more and you want something different, you have to do something different. And so that really validates this statement that the definition of insanity is expecting things to change while doing the same thing. And we have an opportunity here with our spending compensation plan to completely change your financial situation. This compensation plan is based on the retail, consumer, and merchant sales of spending products and services. There is no income guarantees made or assumed. This is not an investment opportunity. There's no purchase required to become a spending affiliate. And make sure you see the income disclaimer and full compensation plan policy for the complete details. Now, within our compensation plan, we have several ways to earn. We have a revolutionary single line cycler that spits off random payments several times a month. And that is from our revolutionary single line straight cycler. You can see more about that on the inside. I'm not going to talk too much about that one. The multi-level retail compensation plan, again, I'm going to touch base on that just a little bit. But what I'm going to really hit home today is our dynamic 3x10 forced matrix. Well, with our direct recruiting bonuses, this is one of the ways that we kind of send a thank you bonus. This is a fast start bonus. An individual, when you refer a member, whatever package you refer, you're going to get a direct referral bonus. And that's, you can earn up to $378 in direct recruiting bonuses for every paid affiliate joining directly to you. And we have 6 different subscription packages. Bravo, which is $30, Delta, $60, Foxtrot, $120. Those numbers will mean something in a second. X-Ray, $96, and Zulu. And so the number in green is how much it costs to take that subscription on a monthly basis. So you can see our Bravo package takes $30. Okay, but the number in blue is the direct referral bonus. So if you refer somebody to our Bravo subscription package for $30, the thank you bonus that Spinding is going to send you is $6. Now, something very interesting and exciting about this is that any subscription you take above Bravo, you consequently take all of the subsequent packages. So what that means is, if you're going to take the Foxtrot package, what that means is you'll also take the Delta and the Bravo package. So that means you add these all together. And so let's say you were to take the Zulu bonus, the Zulu package. The Zulu package is $960, okay, by itself. Now, if you take advantage of the Zulu package, that means you take advantage of all of the packages beneath that. And so that complete total out of pocket is $1,890. Now, we're not in this business to create another mortgage payment. We're going to show you how you can make that back very, very quickly. But for the sake of discussion, we're going to focus on the Foxtrot here. That's a total of $210 out of pocket, because that's the 120 plus the 60 plus the 30 is 210. So in order to take advantage of our Foxtrot package, it's a total out of pocket of 210, and that's what we're going to illustrate for the remainder of this compensation plan presentation. And so another area of compensation that we have was the retail portion. And here it describes we have a 7-level unilevel retail payout structure. And so within our spending business plan, we have our app where consumers can spin the app and get 1 free spin a day. But when we have a big screen TV or a 5-day, 4-night weekend or a car on our spending wheel, some individuals may want to purchase more than 1 token. So you can see the retail download accounts get 1 token per day for playing. Additional tokens are available for sale for playing the game more frequently or for accumulating tokens. You can get paid on up to 7 levels for all token purchases, and I'll show you that in just a second. Also, you're going to get paid for the merchant prize package purchases, and basically what that is that when you step into a business, you share our spending app with them and the advertising benefits that they have, and they take advantage of one of our advertising packages, that pays through our 7-level unilevel as well. So basically it says merchants pay for making a prize award to a local consumer who has downloaded the game. Prize packages can be created to award a single prize or even to award hundreds of thousands of prizes. There's huge potential commissions there, and we'll show you that in just a second as well. Here is that 7-level retail unilevel qualification, and this is where it applies that there is no cost to be a Spinding affiliate. Let's say you don't want to take part in our affiliate matrix. You just want to share this with businesses because you work for a chamber of commerce or you're very well connected in your community with businesses. Well, every business and every advertising package that you sell, you're going to get 10%. And any renewals that they make, you're going to get 10% right off the top. Basically a 10% commission for the sales that you make for the company. Now, if you decide to grow an organization, you get paid deeper into your organization. And here, when you're at the top level, you get paid 7 levels down. That means somebody in Africa could sell an advertising package to a business, and it's going to pay you all the way through your matrix. And then here, anyone that you sell individually, you're going to get 25% for it. So you could see that's pretty dynamic and pretty lucrative within itself, but that's just on top of the other avenues we have to pay our affiliates here. Here's just an example of some of the advertising packages. We have a smorgasbord, and it's really tailor-made to the merchant, but this just shows you different types of advertising packages that we have that will pay through our 7 levels. But what I'm going to really highlight is our enhanced compensation plan. That is, we have a 3x10 forced matrix. Now, what is a 3x10 forced matrix? Well, basically what it is, it's a matrix that has you at the top. And what 3x means and forced means that you can only have 3 people on your front line. That means even if you have 10 personally sponsored direct referrals, you can only go 3 wide. Okay, that's your front line or level 1. Anything that you do after that always goes down another level. We'll talk about that in just a second as well. But something I'd like to point out here is that in your 3x10 matrix, this is your front line, which is level 1. This is your second line and your level 2. But what this also is, and this is your first line's level 1. So basically your first line, this is their level 1 of their 3x10 matrix. And you can see that it being a forced 3x10, they only have 3 on their front line as well. Now, something that's very, very innovative and something that has a likeness to this type of compensation structure, matrix structure, is spillover. Now, what exactly is spillover? You've heard the term spillover. What exactly is it? Well, let's use you at the top again. Okay, you're at the top of your 3x10 matrix, and you have 4 direct referrals. That means that you have 4 people that have taken advantage of one of the subscription packages with Bravo through Zulu, and now they're going to get placed into your 3x10 matrix. Well, what happens is they're going to get placed front line to you because there's nobody there. Well, where does that 4th person go? Well, that's what's called spillover. Spillover is where, even though this individual is still one of your personal direct referrals, it falls on their front line. And so they're going to get paid on that person through their matrix, but you're going to receive something that we call a 50% matching bonus. And this is where the huge income is made in Spinding, is 50% matching bonus. That means anything that anybody that you directly refer, anything that they make in their 3x10 matrix, you are going to get 50% of. And so that means you're going to get 50% of that person's, 50% of that person's, 50% of that person's, and 50% of that person's. And so if you have 20 direct referrals, you're going to get 20 50% matching bonuses on their matrix. It's out of control. It's stupid crazy. And I'm going to show you by showing you some of the numbers here. Okay. Now, I'm not going to go too much into detail with this. I'll go over this briefly, but I just want you to highlight this number. Okay. We are still talking about Foxtrot. That means individuals that have come on board at the Foxtrot level, which is $210 out of pocket. And in order to qualify to get paid in our 3x10 matrix, you have to have 2 direct referrals. Okay, now that will pay you through 3x8. If you would like to get paid into the 9th level, 3 direct referrals are required. Into level 10, 4 direct referrals are required. Now, I want to show you here that, just to explain some of these columns, this is level 1, which I showed you already. 3 people on that level. You're running totals. How many people is totally in your organization? This is a payout per sale. So what that means is that for every person, you're going to get 1252. So 1252 times 3 is 3756. Okay? Don't worry about the match tree here. Don't try to figure it out this way. Just understand that anybody that you personally refer, whatever they make in their 3x10 matrix, you're getting half of that. Okay, and so you can look, and there's other videos that talk more about these numbers, but basically what I want to share with you is that, look, if this matrix is full through the first 5 levels, okay, that is not even half, that's not even a quarter of how many people can be in this entire matrix. 363 people, and all that is 3 people help 3 people. That's it. Then those 3 people help 3 people, those 3 people help 3 people. Okay, and that's how we get to this number, and we have systems in place that share with you how to do that. And so 1355.16 is what you will make just on this level. I'm not even going any further. I'm not going down here. I'm not going into these bigger numbers because I want to make it real for you. I want to make a reality, a real situation. Now, this is only from our Foxtrot package. Now, even though you pay for the other packages, this is just for the Foxtrot package. Now, that's on top of the Delta package because you're paying for that as well, $677.58. On top of the Bravo package, which is $338.79. And so let's put those numbers here in front of you. 1355.16 for the Foxtrot matrix that you're going to be earning. 677.58 for the Delta matrix you're going to be earning. 338.79 for the Bravo matrix that you're going to be earning. Now, again, that is not a full matrix. That's down to the 5th level. It's full, and provided everybody is in at a Foxtrot level, and you have 2 direct referrals so that you can be qualified to be paid. That total matrix payout, $2371.53. That's from your matrix payout. That's not any 50% matching bonus. That's your matrix payout, and that is month after month after month. Now, let's take that $2371.53 matrix payout. You're going to help 3 people do the same thing. That means you have 3 direct referrals, and you're going to help them do the same thing. That's $1185.77, which is just 50% of $2371.53. You're making that as a matching bonus, but you have to multiply it by 3 because that's 3 people you help do the same thing. That's $3357.31 plus your $2371.53 equals $5928.84 month after month. And that's not talking about the direct recruiting bonuses that you're going to get. That's also not even talking about the money you're going to make in a retail compensation plan or our single line cycler. This is out of control, disgusting, crazy, the opportunity that you have here. And now what I'm going to do is we didn't even talk about the 5th level at Tango, which is the next one up from Foxtrot, or the 5,000 at X-Ray, or the 10,000 at Zulu on top of each other, each and every one of those. We didn't even talk about that. But that's the goal. The goal is to get to our Zulu package so that you can earn on all the packages. This is crazy. And this is not even moving down here. This is only on the first 5 levels. Haven't even talked about what happens on level 6. So this is absolutely crazy. And our compensation plan is setting people free, financially free.